The Evolution Elite is a fryer so advanced it cooks the same amount of food in 40% less oil. But at Henny Penny, frying technology continues to evolve. Now, the Evolution Elite is also available as a gas fryer, allowing restaurants and food service operations everywhere to produce more popular food at a lower cost. How? By using information about the way you fry to help you make better decisions about menu items, vat utilization, and oil management. The Evolution Elite Fryer collects data from cooked loads and displays it right on the control. It is easy to access and easy to understand. Information specific to cooking temperature, oil usage, and filtering history helps managers develop more oil-friendly practices. Information about the last load cooked helps managers to identify sources of any deficiency in food quality. Information about daily operations for the past week helps managers track the number of loads per menu item, as well as cooking and filtering habits. Cumulative information from the time of installation or reset helps managers track menu trends, fryer operation, and user habits over time. Melt mode and idle mode further protect frying oil by moderating extreme changes in oil temperature. This also saves energy. In fact, both electric and gas models have earned the Energy Star mark, which designates the most energy efficient products available. The control is easy to read and simple to use even for split vat fryers. You can easily set up the fryer's profile, create or edit cooking programs, or change languages. Just navigate using the letter categories and arrow keys. You can also text input using the number keys just like your phone. Crew members can even switch between two languages at the touch of a button. With the Evolution Elite Fryer, food service operators can take control of oil and energy costs while making better food and better operational decisions. The Evolution Elite Fryer from Henny Penny, engineered to last.